Hello, hello. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes.
okay. Now, morning we are on this floor. Correct? So, now we have calculated this in this paper. Correct? This paper. Okay. Original value minus corresponding row into corresponding column divided by key element. Correct? So, this you have to remember original value minus corresponding row into corresponding column divided by key elements. This you have to keep in mind anyhow. Once again I will repeat basic value minus corresponding row into corresponding column divided by key elements. Correct? So like this we have calculated this in the morning. Correct? Now this is remaining. This is remaining. So how to calculate what is the original value? What is the original value? Hello. What is the original
6.
value? 6. Okay. Now original value is the 6. But this original value 6. Right? What is the corresponding column value or row value? Corresponding column value 32 into corresponding row value. Corresponding row value. Hello. Corresponding divided by elements. How much? How much? Hello. How much? Audible? My sound is audible or not? Hello. 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 Audible or not? This week, corresponding audible 32. Row
2.
1 by 2 divided by the element. 32 into 1 by 2 divided by 2. How much it is? How much? Hello? How much is
2.
2? Okay. So this is our correct. Up to here it is clear. Okay. Now Z Z. How to calculate Z Z? How to calculate Z Z? Z Z. 16 into 0. 16 into 0 plus 12 into 1. How much here? How much here? 16 into
12.
12. Okay, so here we can write 12. After that, 16 into 1, 12 into 0. How much here? How much? 16 into 1, 12 into 0. Plus we have to make 16 into 1 plus 12 into 0. How much here?
16.
16. So here, correct. So similarly, we can go for next term. So here 16, 16 into 10 plus 12 into minus 1 by 10. So this value you will get. So that is your there is 5. So here it is 5. Correct. Immediately here we will get 1. Similarly, here we will get 1. Correct. So it is correct. 16 minus 1 by 8 plus 12 into 1 by 4 Ultimate answer is 1. Correct? So this is our ZZ. Now Cj minus Zj. What is Cj? J. Minus this. So 12 minus 12, how much here?
0.
0. Then what is here? 16 and here it is 16. How much here? 0.
0.
Then next, what should be here? 0 minus this. How much here? Minus 2 by
Minus
5.
4.
2 by 5. And here it is minus 1. Minus 1. Now see the answer. This is 0, 0, minus, minus. For maximum condition, it is like this way. So when this answer is there, then we have got the optimum solution. We have got the optimum solution. Then we write here. So what is here x2? x2 is equal to 2 and x12 is equal to 8. Correct? And what is our first equation? Our first equation maximum condition. So our maximum condition first equation maximum equal to 12x1 plus 16x2. So here we get to here 12 in bracket. What is the x2 here? 8 plus 16. What is the x2 here? x2 here 2. So what is the last answer? What is the last answer? Hello? Hello? What is the last answer?
128.
128, correct, right. So this answer is 128, correct. So we get maximum profit of 128, where equal to 180. We get maximum profit 128, then x1 to be, then x1 to be 8 and x2 to be 2. Now to manufacture the product, x2 should be 2, x1 should be 8, subject to given constraint, then you will get this maximum profit of 128. So this is actually problem, or this is the problem, first problem of linear programming, correct? So this condition, maximum condition. Okay. So shall we go for next problem? Anybody having any doubt here? So we have solved this problem. Table number 1 and 3. Within table 3 we have solved. So in exam maximum they will ask us table number 3 because the time constraint is there. So anyhow we have to solve the problem like this. This is called linear programming problem. Correct? Now to satisfy the condition, then we get x1, x2, can get that 120 maximum profit, then x1 should be 8 and x2 should be 2 maximum profit. This is our objective, this is our basic variable on certain variable initially. Now this value we have got. Correct? So shall we go for next problem of the same? Hello? Anybody having any doubt up to here? Shall we go for next problem? Hello? Nobody is there. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now next problem. Maximum equal to 1 plus subjected to one plus less than equal to 2. And second, 1 plus 8. 1 plus so this is the problem from the industry. X1 X1 that is quantity, that is the decision variable. So how much quantity we have to produce, so that we get the maximum profits. So first subject to condition X1, X2, then 5X1, 2X2, then 3X, 8X2. Now here we have to go for adding three decision variable. Three decision variable, that is your S1, S2 and S3. Three variables. Because 1, 2, 3 are there. So three subject means three slack variable or surplus variable means here S1, S2, S3 we have to add in the equation. Now let us see this equation. So this equation you can rewrite 5x1 plus 3x2 plus 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0x3. Why this 3? 1, 2, 3 because 1, 2, 3 are there. And here 0, 0, 0 is no effect on it. So this is the for your or convert inequality into equality. After this, all this can take like this. So here x1 plus x2 plus 0 s1 is equal to 2 additional variables. After that, value x1 plus 2x2 plus 0 s2. If there is no 1 or there is no 3, then it is the same. So here 3x1 plus 8x2 plus 0, 3 equal to 12. Clear? Once the problem is given, then you have to go like this way. Addition of surplus variable, that is S1, S2, S3 depend upon the constraint or is subjected to. If it is 3, you can add 3. If it is 2, you can add 2. Correct? And why we are adding this? To convert inequality. What is inequality here? So here less than equal to 2. Less than equal to 2. So we have to convert equal. We have to add this surplus variable. Correct? Up to here it is clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we go for table. So what is our first table? As usual, first table should be there. So here it is variable. Basic variable. One, F1, F2, F3. Correct? And here you can write solution. And here you can write ratio. So this is the format. This is fixed format for this problem. Simplex. This is the fixed format. Now, CJ. What is the CJ? Given problem. What is the CJ? So here, what is the here is the 3. Coefficient you can take. Okay. And what is our reference variable? S1. And below this, we can write here say, below this, we can write here say, this minus. Correct. The next modification in this table, as usual, this point should be there. After that, whatever subject or equations are there, in that equation, we can write here what is here 1, 1. So here it is the 1, here it is the 1. Or first equation, what is the coefficient of first equation? Here, because we are having one, it's not zero. Because we are having a surplus variable. So here, yes, there should be 1. Others are 0. So here it is 0, 3. Others are 0. This is the here, yes, coefficient 0. Yes, coefficient 0. Here, S1 0, S3 0. Here, S1 0, S3 0. 1. So here it is 1, 2, 0. Correct. After this, S2. What is the S2 here? Y. After that, S1, better equation S1 is 0. But S2 is 1 and S3 is 0. Third equation, here is the 3 and 8. 3, 8. After that, it is 0, 1. See that first equation S1 1, second equation S2 1, third equation 3. This one is corresponding equation whenever surplus variable we are adding, then its coefficient is 1. So in similar way we can write it. Okay. Now what is the first step? What is the first step? What is the first step? Tell me what is the first step? Up to here it is clear?
हॅलो सर
Anybody having any doubt? बोलो.
सर ऐकू येत
हा.
नाही काय बोलताय तुम्ही
आता येतंय काय?
ब्लॅक बोर्ड कडे गेल्यावर
आता
तुम्ही
येत
ऐकू येत नाही. आता ऐकू येतंय,
ब्लॅक
ब्लॅक
बोर्ड
बोर्ड कडे गेल्यावर ऐकू येत नाही काय?
गेल्यानंतर ऐकू येत नाही. बर, मी
स्क्रीन
बोलताना इथे येतो, बोलताना
स्क्रीन
इथे येतो, लिहिताना तिथं जातो.
स्क्रीन
स्क्रीन
पण
दिसते
विजिबल
का?
होत नाही. नाही दिसत,
स्क्रीन
ब्लर होते.
नाही, नाही दिसत
ब्लर
काय?
होते, ब्लर होते, ब्लर.
काय पुढे घेऊ का जरा? थांबा. दिसतंय का आता? हॅलो, दिसतंय का?
हो सर.
दिसले काय? मी क्या पुढे घेतलं जरा, बरोबर आहे का? दिसतंय का आता? हॅलो,
हो सर दिसतंय.
दिसतंय ना? आता आवाज पण ऐकू येतोय का? आवाज
हो
ऐकू
सर.
येतोय का सगळ्यांना? हा. मी
येस
काय
सर.
करतो, तिथं जाताना, फळ्याकडे जाताना मी लिहितो, लिहिल्यावर परत तिथे एक्सप्लेन करतो. आता तुम्हाला जे फळ्यावर दिले ते बरोबर आहे का? काय शंका आहे का?
नो सर.
Ah,
नो सर.
okay. Okay, now this is good thing. Now next, we have to find what is the next step. आता याच्यानंतरची स्टेप काय आपल्याला असणार आहे? What is the next step in this? This is
To
the
find out ZZ.
format. Ah, yes, we have to find out ZZ. Okay, so how to find out ZZ? See that 0 into 1. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 3. What should we have ZZ? 0 into 1. First column you have to see in x1. 0
0.
into 1. 0 into 5. 0 into 3. Addition of all this. What should be there? What
0.
should be there? 0. Correct. Now, similarly, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 8. So here it is 0. So I think all should be 0. Am I correct? All are Z 0. Correct, no?
Sir, yes, yes.
Okay. Now we have to find out the Z. Pj minus Zb. What is Pj here? 5. What is here? 0. So here it is 5, 3, 0, 0, 0. Correct? Am I correct?
Yes,
5,
sir.
3, 0. Okay. Now what is the next step? Tell me next step. What is the next step?
Key element, key row, and key column.
Yes, very good, very good. First, we have to find out key row, key column, and key element. So, how to find out key row, key element, and key column? So this is the maximum. This is the maximum. Okay. So this maximum value. This maximum value. This is your column. Correct. So red colors indicate the column. You have to find out the maximum of ZJ, CJ minus ZJ, and you have to go vertically. You can mark that column. Now, next we have to find the row. How to find out the row? Now, in order to find the row, what should be here? Solution.
Minimum.
That
Ratio.
but here we have to write the solution. What is the value of the 2? What is the value of the 10? What is the value of the 12? Correct? Solution column, that is 2, 10, 12. Correct? Now in this column you have to find out the list number, but how to find out the list number? Maximum value you have to go for. So what is the here? 2 by 1. So 2 by 1, what is here? 2. Correct. Now 10 by 5. So here it is a 10 divided by 5. 10 by 5. 2. Then here it is 12. Here it is 3. So here is 12 by 3. Correct. Correct. So here, which is the minimum here? Now here 2 are minimum. First column and second column. You can take any one. No problem. So I will take this one. This is the list value, and accordingly row will be there. Accordingly, row will be there. So here, will be there. So what is the key element here? This is your key element. So 1 is the key element in this. 1 is the key element in this. So this is your key element. 1. Correct. Up to here, clear? Table number 1. So this is a table number 1. Table number 1. Correct. Up to here it is clear. Anybody having any doubt? शंका आहे का कोणाची? समजलं का हा टेबल? Everybody has got the concept of this table.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now we go for next table number 2. So as usual, you have to prepare the table number 2. So this is the table number 2. Now once the key element we have got, now we have to replace that surplus variables by the our basic variable by x1. Now see here, so here this is the key element. Replace by this. This is variable, this is outgoing variable. This will remove and it will come to here corresponding coefficient will be here. Correct. Corresponding coefficient will be here. So here x1 will come to here and corresponding coefficient will come here. Similarly, here we can write it. So here x1 corresponding coefficient 5, then x2 0, as usual here, will be the gate value field. Correct? So here are equal now, what is the next step? What is the next step here after getting key element? What is the next step? Hello? Who is this? So what is the next step? Anybody is there? Tell me what is the next step in table number 2. Hello? What is the next step in table number 2? Hello? My sound is audible or not? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes,
No
sir.
response at all. Hello?
Yes, sir.
My sound is audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. So you tell me what is the next step in table number 2? Or not? You are not remembering. So once, shall I tell this next step?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you will get key element, you have to divide all the numbers by key element. Okay. All the numbers by key element. So here key element 1 divided by 1. So answer here 1. That 1 divided by key element here answer is 1. Here 1 divided by key element answer is 1. 0 divided by 1 divided by 1. Here in that row you have to divide by key element, you will get the x1. Correct? Correct or not? Now you tell me what is the next step.
Original value minus.
Yeah. Now here I want value here. Original value here. How much 5? Correct? 5 minus corresponding row value. Corresponding row value is 5. And corresponding column value is 5. 1. Correct? So 5 minus 5 into 1 divided by key element. What is the answer here? What is the answer here? See that 5. 5, this is the 5. Correct? This is the original value minus corresponding row value is same thing is there. Corresponding column value is there. Divided by key elements, answer is 0. Are you getting this? Yes, 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will write here 0. Now, S2 is 0. What about here? Here is what shall I write here?
It's -3, sir.
Huh? Minus 3.
-3.
Okay. Minus 3 is correct. How we have calculated minus 3? Original value to corresponding row value. Original value to minus corresponding row value and corresponding column value. Okay. So what about here? So what should be here? What should be here? Below S1. Below S1, what should be there? Original value is 0.
-5.
-5, correct. So here it is the -5. -5. How we have calculated -5? Our, this is our 0 element. So 0 original value is 0 minus corresponding row value 5 corresponding column value 1 divided by our key element 1. So answer is -5. This is the minus. Correct. Now S2. Below S2, what should be there?
1.
Huh?
1.
1.
1.
Correct. That is correct. So below S1 it should be 1. And what about S3?
0.
What about S3? 0. Correct. What about here? Instead of 10, what should be here?
0, sir.
0. Correct. Now related to this, anybody having any doubt? No doubt. Shall I proceed? Okay. No doubt. But how about the right answer from your side? Now we go to the S3. We go to the S3. Now here S3 there. What should be here? What should be here? Original value is 3 minus corresponding row value is 3. Corresponding column value is what? And divided by key element. What should be there?
Sir, -12.
-12. How it is? See that original value is 3. Okay. Original value is 3 minus corresponding row value is 3. Corresponding column value is 10. Huh? Corresponding column value is
5.
huh? Corresponding this only you have to do. This red color. हा फक्त लक्षात ठेवा रेड कलर मधली घ्यायची व्हॅल्यू करेक्ट. आता हा रो आलाय इकडून हा गेला करस्पॉन्डिंग ठीक आहे करस्पॉन्डिंग 1. So here it is 1 divided by 11. What is the answer here? Answer काय आला?
0.
0.
0, sir.
0. Then we go to the next 8. Instead of 8, what should be there to tell me?
2. 2.
Huh? 2. How it is? Original value is 8. Original value is 8. Minus corresponding row value 3. Corresponding
5.
1.
5.
5. So here it is 5. Then we come to next. What is the next here? What should be here?
-3.
-3, correct. So here it is -3. What should be here?
0.
0, correct. What should be here?
1.
1.
One.
What 1? What should be here? Here what should be? Because here it is a 12. So it is a
Six.
12 here.
How much?
6.
6. Correct. So here it is. So anybody having any doubt up to here? Anybody having any doubt, you can ask.
No doubt. Now what is the next step? दूसरी step कुठली आहे? What is the next step?
ZI. ZJ.
ZZ. Okay. How to calculate ZZ?
ZZ, we have to calculate 5 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. How much here? How much here?
5.
5.
Similarly, 5 into 1 plus 0 into minus 3 plus 0 into 5. How much here? How much?
5.
5. Once again 5. Now you come here, third column. What should be here? 5 into 1 plus 0 into minus 5 plus 0 into minus 3. How much here? Again?
5.
5. Again 5. Next, 5 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 1, 0, plus 0 into 0, 0. Next, 5 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Shall I write here 0? Correct? Okay. Now out of this, you have to find out the row and column. Row and column. So you can check here condition is followed or not. Because all are positive. Right? So ZZ are positive. After this, we can get this value, ZZ minus ZZ. So what is here? 5 minus 5. What is here? 0. Correct? CJ minus ZJ. 0 should be there or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is the next? CJ minus ZJ. What should be here?
What should be here?
-2.
What should, minus 2, correct? Minus 2. Now you tell me what should be here? What should be here?
-5.
Minus 5, correct? Now you tell me what should be here?
0.
0 and 0. Correct? 0 and 0. Correct? Now after this, see that condition is follow or not? Condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is that condition? What is that condition? What is that
CJ minus
condition?
ZJ less than equal.
CJ minus ZJ is less than equal to 0. So here, 0 is there, 0 is there, minus, minus. Means our condition is satisfied or not? Condition is satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Satisfied.
Okay, satisfied. That means here your x1 is 2, x2 0, and x3 6. See that when condition satisfied, then solution value, you can see that solution value x1, that is the 2, x2 that is the 0, x3 that is the 6. Okay. Now what is our basic maximized profit? Maximization condition. Maximization condition. Maximization condition. 5x1 plus 5x1 plus what is that? 3x2. 3x2. Okay. Now in this table, what is our x1 and x2? x1 and x2. So this is our x1. Under this condition, first condition, second condition. So our x1, what is the x1 here? 2. So 5, 2 plus 3 x2 0. How much is? Let's see, 10. Correct? So 10 you will get when x1 should be 2 and x2 will be 0. Correct? So this is the optimum solution. This is the optimum solution. Any doubt is there in this? Problem is over. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Problem is over. Now in this row, column, etc. Anybody having any doubt? You can ask. So for that we will go for next problems.
Hello, sir.
हाँ जी हाँ जी बोला
Sir, will you please rotate the camera to column number 2?
column number 2
Table number 2, sir. Table number 2.
table
Yes.
number it is visible दिसतेगा
Yes, sir.
काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे सांगा काय शंका आहे काय याच्यात शंका आहे का लिहून घेताय हॅलो
लिहून घेतोय, sir.
बर बर ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम
Okay, sir. झालं.
Okay. Okay. Now we go to the next minimization problem. So up till now we have gone through the maximization. In our exams, normally they will going to ask problems on maximization, and there is a certain limitation constraint is there that problems will get solved within the 3 tables, or this is the 2 tables. Now we have solved this problem by 2 tables. previous problems we have solved by 3 tables, correct? So you have to make the practice of such problems. All that problems we can solve within the 3 tables. If more than 3 tables are there, that is the time consuming, and such type of questions will not going to ask in your exam. And in your gate normally one table solutions always be there in your gate exam, because 2 marks time constraint is there. Okay, so up till now what we have seen here in this war subject, what is the wars? Once again I will repeat, and then we will go for minimization of the problems. Okay, so first those were absent for previous lecture, for them I will just give the hint what actually we have covered in this OR subject. This OR, that is means operation research. What is that operation? Operations means some activity. It is used to convert raw material into finished product. And research means you have to search activity that is the time consuming, costly, and that will affect on the profit. Correct? So that's why the name is given this war. After that, what is actually history and development of the war? The starting of the war in 1940, when Second World War was there. After that, when in that Second World War, America and Great Britain, they had used these techniques for their military organization, supplying the food, the planning, the strategy, so many activity actually involved in that army, navy, and air force. For that purpose, this subject had been used. After this, Great Britain and USA, they found the one institutes in their country as a operation research. In 1953, they had used the technique of our wars in the industry to solve the industrial problem for profit maximization. Then we have gone through the methodology, very simple methodology is there. Define the problem, convert into mathematical solution, solve that problem, find out the solution, which is the feasible solution, take the decision, implementation of that decision, start that activity, observe that activity, and if possible, modified that. This is actually methodology. Just like our paper, in what way we are writing in paper in the international journal, same things are here. Application, already we can use this knowledge of the wars in military organizations, then transportations, then inventory controls, manpowers, machine powers, warehouses, whenever queues are there, in that conditions we can use this OR. After that, we have gone through the linear programming formulations. In that I have given 3 components manufactured by 2 machines in the firm, in one of the firm. Time limit is given and their profit for one job is given. In order to get maximum profit, each machine, it is useful to manufacture the product within the time constraint and formulate the problem. So this formulation, problem formulations I have given how to found. After that, we came across the problems numbers 1, simplex method, maximization thing is there, subjected to 2 constraints. We have solved this previous problem. Here next problem is there. Here maximization condition is there and subjected to 3 constraints. So here 3 constraints, but we have solved this problem within the 2 tables and we have got the value x1 2 and x1 2, x2 0, you will get the maximum profit 10. If you go for manufacturing of x1 2 product, and x2 means we cannot manufacture our x2 product. Only we have to go for manufacturing of x1, that quantity, 2 quantity, and the profit is 5. 5 into 10. Is that correct? So this is the solution. Since here we have to decide the quantity to be manufactured in order to get the maximum profit. So this is the maximization condition. Okay. Shall we go for next problem, minimization? Yes, that time is with us. Or shall we stop here? Stop or shall we proceed?
Stop.
Stop. Very nice. Now what is the time? Time is 3:55. Okay. So evening time is there. Okay. We'll stop here. Thank you.